The journey of transformation begins here, within the humble remnants of our daily brew, where dark coffee grounds are gathered for a new purpose in life. Inside this industrial sanctuary, what was once considered mere waste is now viewed as black gold, waiting to be reborn through cutting-edge sustainable technology and engineering. Logistics and precision meet as tons of organic material are transported to the intake station, marking the first step in a revolution of high-end material science. Quality control starts at the source, where experts manually inspect the raw texture to ensure only the finest organic waste enters our sophisticated recycling production line. The machinery hums to life as the conveyor system begins its steady ascent, carrying the raw elements toward a series of advanced purification and filtering stages. Preliminary sorting ensures a uniform consistency, removing impurities and preparing the coffee grounds for the intense thermal processes that will soon change their physical state forever. In this massive facility, we bridge the gap between environmental responsibility and industrial efficiency, turning a global waste problem into a circular economy success story. Every gram is accounted for as our digital systems track the flow of resources, optimizing the input for maximum yield and minimum environmental impact during production. Stage 1 is complete. The collection and sorting phases have laid the groundwork for the incredible chemical and physical transformations that are about to take place. The transformation intensifies within the thermal chambers, where heat and air combine to strip away moisture, preparing the material for its journey into polymer science. Uniform drying is essential for structural integrity, as every single particle must reach a perfect state of dehydration before it can bond with our biological polymers. Watch as the moisture evaporates into the air, a visible sign of the purification process that cleanses the material and readies it for the high-pressure molding. The factory floor becomes a landscape of fire and ice, where industrial power is harnessed to refine the organic remains into a professional-grade raw material. Powerful ventilation systems maintain a constant airflow, ensuring that the heat is distributed evenly and the drying process remains consistent across the entire production batch. Mechanical precision and thermal energy work in perfect harmony, driving the moisture levels down to 0% in a display of modern engineering and efficiency. Now completely dry and light as air, the refined powder travels through a network of vacuum tubes, heading toward the heart of the material mixing station. The material has been reborn as a fine, consistent powder, possessing the ideal characteristics for fusion with the bio-based resins that define our unique sustainable composite. Steam release valves signal the completion of the drying cycle, marking the transition from simple organic waste to a sophisticated industrial ingredient ready for the next. Perfection is achieved. With all moisture removed, the coffee is now stabilized and ready to be integrated into the complex matrix of our eco-friendly bioplastic. Enter the world of molecular fusion, where the extruder machine stands as the centerpiece of our technology, blending nature and science into a single durable substance. The merger begins as coffee meets biopolymer, two distinct elements combining to create a revolutionary new material that is both incredibly strong and environmentally friendly. A beautiful dance of textures unfolds as the materials harmonize, creating a consistent blend that carries the natural essence of coffee into the world of plastics. At 200 degrees, the transformation becomes liquid. The heat breaks down molecular barriers, allowing the materials to fuse into a singular, high-performance molten composite. Behold the birth of coffee polymer, a thick, viscous stream of sustainable material that flows with the promise of a greener future for our planet's manufacturing industries. Stretching out like endless silk ribbons, these strands of recycled material represent the literal threads of a circular economy, connecting waste to high-value consumer goods. The heat is instantly quenched as the strands enter the cooling bath, solidifying the new material and locking in the durable properties of the coffee bioplastic blend. Emerging cold and firm, the material has successfully navigated the most difficult part of its transformation, now possessing the strength required for high-precision molding and shaping. A rhythmic mechanical symphony plays as the cutter slices the strands into millions of identical pellets, the fundamental building blocks of our sustainable household product line. The sound of success is a rain of plastic pellets, each one a tiny capsule of recycled energy ready to be molded into something beautiful and useful. These pellets are the final raw form of our innovation, a high-quality material that looks, feels, and even smells like the coffee it was born from. Ready for the next stage, the pellets are packaged and prepared for the injection molding phase, where they will finally take the shape of everyday objects. Automation takes the lead as we enter the shaping phase, where robotic arms and mechanical intelligence ensure that every product is manufactured to exacting global standards. This is where pressure meets design. The injection molding machine uses hundreds of tons of force to inject our coffee polymer into complex, precision-engineered steel molds. The pellets are drawn into the machine's intake, beginning their final journey through the heated screw and into the heart of the molding chamber for creation. The mold locks with absolute authority, creating a sealed environment where the molten bioplastic will be forced into the intricate shapes of our signature coffee cups. Under immense pressure, the material fills every corner of the mold, capturing fine details and textures that will define the premium aesthetic of the finished product. Every cycle is monitored for perfection, ensuring that the structural density of the material is consistent, resulting in a product that is as durable as traditional plastic. The reveal is a moment of pure industrial magic. Out of the steel emerges a perfect object, born from waste and shaped by the power of technology. With a gentle mechanical push, the product is released from its cradle, beginning its descent toward the cooling and finishing stages of the production cycle today. A river of sustainability flows through the factory as hundreds of cups are produced every hour, each one a testament to the possibilities of recycled material science. As they pile up, the scale of the impact becomes clear. Every cup in this basket represents coffee waste that has been diverted from a landfill forever. This is the future of manufacturing, fully automated, high-speed, and deeply rooted in the principles of environmental stewardship and high-quality industrial design for everyone. Our robots handle each piece with care, preparing them for the final human touch and the rigorous quality inspections that define our brand's commitment to excellence. Welcome to the lab, where science meets craftsmanship to ensure that every single item we produce meets the highest standards of safety, durability, and aesthetic beauty. The laser's touch is precise and permanent, branding each cup with our mark of quality and a reminder of its incredible journey from coffee ground to high-end. As the laser works, a subtle scent of roasted coffee fills the air, a sensory connection to the material's origin that remains even after its radical transformation. Precision is our hallmark. The laser allows for incredibly detailed designs, turning a simple recycled object into a piece of functional art for the modern eco-conscious consumer. Durability is not just a promise, it's a requirement. We test our products to the limit to ensure they can withstand the rigors of daily life. The cup survives the impact with ease, demonstrating the superior structural integrity of our coffee composite compared to traditional brittle ceramics or low-grade plastic alternatives. Under the microscope, the secret of our strength is revealed. A perfectly dense and uniform molecular structure that repels water and resists the wear of time. Human eyes provide the final filter. Our inspectors meticulously check every detail, ensuring that only perfect products reach our customers around the world. Sustainability extends to our packaging. Every box is made from recycled fibers, completing the circle of environmental responsibility that defines our entire brand philosophy. Ready for delivery, these products are ambassadors for change, showing the world that high-end luxury and environmental sustainability can go hand in hand flawlessly. The journey ends in the hands of the consumer, within spaces that reflect the same minimalist and clean values that went into the product's creation. In the light of day, the beauty of the material truly shines, its deep brown tones and matte texture offering a sophisticated alternative to conventional plastic. The tactile experience is unique. Warm to the touch and perfectly balanced, it provides a superior drinking experience that connects the user to nature and innovation. Coffee returns to its source. As the liquid fills the vessel, the cycle is complete, a poetic reunion of material and purpose in one elegant moment. From the waste bins of cafes to the precision of industrial engineering, we have reimagined what is possible, turning the discarded into the desired through science. Our mission is to continue innovating, using this breakthrough material to design a wide range of sustainable products that challenge the status quo of modern manufacturing. Even our byproducts serve a purpose, acting as a rich fertilizer to nurture the next generation of life, ensuring that nothing we do goes to waste. We envision a world where our industries live in harmony with nature, where every product we use contributes to the health and beauty of our planet. This is the lifestyle of the future, a life built on conscious choices, smart design, and the incredible potential of recycled materials to transform our world. Join us in redefining sustainability. Together, we can turn the remnants of today into the foundations of a cleaner, more beautiful, and more sustainable tomorrow. Because at the end of the day, true luxury is knowing that your choices are helping the earth thrive for generations to come. Thank you for watching.